Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, today's video is going to be just a quick chat about some different things that are happening in our couponing lives. And then also we are going to do a preview of the upcoming June P&G insert. I am also going to give you a quick blip through of the coupons that are coming out tomorrow, which is Sunday, the 22nd of May. And I want to also give you a heads up and a visual for some coupons, some hot coupons that are going to be coming out in June. So we're going to talk about all of those things in this video. So before I get into the coupons and the insert previews, I want to talk about this quick article that was on couponsinthenews.com. I've been getting a lot of questions about this, and this is concerning the end of coupons.com. So if you've been following my channel for a while, I've been talking about the end of paper coupons for a couple years now, because I am well aware that this is on the way. Not just printable coupons, but just paper coupons in general are being phased out, and most stores, most manufacturers are switching over to a lot of digital coupons, which is one of the reasons why I've been trying to incorporate more all digital deals here on my channel. It's just in preparation for what is coming in the future. But this particular article, this coupons.com article, is talking about the closing of coupons.com at the end of June. And so what it's saying is coupons.com's owner, Quoten Technology, is shutting down its Brandcaster coupon affiliate program, which allows retailers, bloggers, websites like Coupon in the News to provide links to printable coupons and coupon galleries and all of that. After June 30th, 2022, all publishers have been informed that they will cease to display the coupon print. So I am someone who does share these coupon prints on my blogs, on my social media. So I was aware of this change happening. I got the email, I want to say like a couple months ago, that this was coming down the pike, but I wasn't surprised about it because the CEO of coupons.com, he had made a statement a couple years ago saying that this was on the way and this is where we were headed. I've also seen a lot of posts saying that this is going to be the end of printable coupons. I personally don't believe that this is the end of printable coupons. I think that this is just the shutdown of the largest printable coupon provider, but there are tons of other sites that do offer printable coupons, so I still think that we will have access to some printable coupons. The number that are available will just be reduced. Now, the previous article that I've quoted a couple times on my channel did say that by the end of 2022, we would see a phase down of paper coupons in general. And I can definitely see that phase down coming, because when I show you guys this P&G insert preview, you will see what I mean. These inserts are getting smaller and smaller. The values of the coupons, of paper coupons, are getting smaller and smaller. So I can definitely see that phase down coming. But the way I think about it is I'm always gonna get good deals regardless. I have been doing this since 2010. I've been an extreme couponer since 2010, and there has been tons and tons of changes to couponing. Couponing really looks nothing like how it looked in 2010 when I started. It's just a completely different process, and it still has not stopped me from having a really big stockpile and being able to get a ton of stuff for free. And I think that this will still be the same way even after these paper coupons are phased down. We're always going to be able to find a way to get good deals. So just stay tuned and we'll just keep working through these changes. And that's just pretty much how I feel about it. But you guys should be aware that those changes are coming down the pike. And before we get into the actual coupons, I have to answer this question that I know I'm going to get, and that is where I get my coupons from. So my main three resources for coupons are these three ladies right here, First one is samscouponclippingcenter.com. She is a great resource for clipped coupons. So if you are someone who does not like to deal with buying inserts, because inserts can be very expensive, buying clip coupons is a lot cheaper sometimes. So I definitely love Sam. She is local to me here in Georgia, so I'm able to get my coupons from her very fast. And then for early inserts like this P&G that I am going to be reviewing in this video, I get them from DMV Ferry. DMV Ferry has the fastest shipping, like hands down, of any insert supply I've ever seen, and that is because she uses FedEx. She does not use the postal service, so usually 2 business days after you order, you're gonna have those coupons in your hand, which can make all the difference when it comes to couponing. Y'all know, like getting your coupons fast is so important. So DMV Ferry is who I get for that. And then Newpon's is my last ferry. She is on the West Coast. So if you're in California or somewhere on the West Coast, you can get coupons pretty fast from her. And she has great prices, and she is the sweetest ferry. Like the sweetest fairy that you will ever encounter. She's just awesome and amazing, and she is in Cali. And then for extras, I usually use couponfleamarket.com, or I do have a couple other people that I follow on Instagram that do sell coupons. I will show you one of those people towards the end of this video when we look at the coupons that are coming next month. So in this video, we are going to be reviewing the coupons that are coming for the next couple weeks. First off, I'm going to show you the P&G Preview. So this is going to be the P&G that is coming out on Memorial Day. On Memorial Day, that P&G will probably be the only insert coming in your paper, so just keep that in mind. And then we're also going to review the Save and the Smart Source. I'm just going to show you a quick walkthrough of those so you can know if you want to buy your papers for tomorrow. And then I'm also going to show you a couple coupons that I think are pretty hot for 6/5 as well, so you can just have a heads up on those. So now let's get started with the P&G insert for June. So this insert is a little interesting, you guys. It has a total value of coupons of only $70. I'm used to seeing an amount that's at least, $90 to $130 on one of these P&G inserts. So they've definitely reduced this down as far as coupon value. So first things first, we have some buy one, get $3 off on Old Spice products. So buy one body wash, and then you're gonna get $3 off the body spray. Buy one Old Spice Gentleman's Blend deodorant, you get $3 off the body wash. We got $1 off of 2 on the Old Spice products, and then we have $1 off of 2 on the Olay products. On this next page, we got $2 off the Secret Clinical or Gillette, and then we also have $1 off of 2 for Secret products or Gillette. Next thing we got is our $3 off the Venus razor. We have $3 off the Gillette razor or refill. We have $5 off the Gillette Labs exfoliating razor. My husband really likes that Gillette Labs razor, so I hope we have some good deals on that because he really loves that kit. I think I got it from Walgreens this month, and it has really been a hit for him. So we got $1 off the Pantene. We got 3 off of 3 on the Pantene products, and then we have a nice 5 off of 2 on the Pantene nutrient blends. We have 2 off of 2 on the Herbal Essences Bio Renew, 5 off of 2 on the Always Discreet, $1 off of Metamucil, $2 off of Prilosec OTC, 50 cents off of a Boost product, and then $2 off of the Nervive. On this next page, we have some oral care coupons. We got $1 off of the Oral-B manual toothbrushes, $1 off of the Burt's Bees toothpaste, and then 50 cents off of the Fixodent. We got $1 off for the Crest toothpaste, $2 off for the Oral-B adult or kids battery toothbrushes, $5 off for the Oral-B replacement heads, and then 50 cents off for the Crest or Scope mouthwash. $1 off for the Cascade, $1 off for the Cascade Rinse Aid, 50 cents off of the Cascade Action Packs, and this is 4 count or larger, or the dishwasher cleaner. We have $1 off of a Swiffer product. And then we got some lower values this month on the Bounty or Charmin. We are back to 25 cents. So definitely this is a month to take advantage of those $1 coupon values that we have on the Bounty and the Charmin. We got 25 cents off the puffs, 25 cents off of the Charmin flushable wipes as well. Now let's talk about these Tide coupons, because from a quick glance, you may think that the Tide coupons are the same that we have this month, but they're really not. And that is because we have, $3 and $2 and $1 like we have in the month of May, but the size limits are much bigger. So, meaning you have to buy a bigger product in order to get $3 off than usual. You have to buy a bigger product in order to get $2 off than usual. So, normally we can take this $3 coupon and use it at CVS on those bigger Tide products, but this one is a 43 count or larger, you guys. So, this is the huge Tide in order to get $3 off. Or even for the $3 off on the liquid, it has to be 115 ounces or larger, versus this normally would say 92 ounces, which would be that larger size that we would see at CVS or Walgreens. And then for the smaller laundry products, so the ones that we get that are like 14 to 16 count, or the smaller bottles of liquid Tide, we have $1 off coupons. And then we got our $3 off the draft. We have $3 off of a large scent booster, so 26.5 ounce scent booster. I don't think I've ever bought one that size. I usually kind of stop at like the 14 ounce. And then we have $2 off the Downy, the large Downy, and then $1 off of the regular size Downy. Then we got our Gain coupon. So we have $2 off of the Gain laundry detergent, 24 to 54 count. And then this is once again those larger products. And then the smaller Gain products, we have $1 off. Then we have $2 off of the Febreze Unstoppable Spray and $1 off a Febreze product. We have 50 cents off of the Dawn Power Wash and then $1 off of 2 on the Gain liquid. And then on this last page, we have $3 off for the Olay Regenerist products and the Olay Eyes products. And then we also have $1 off of the facial moisturizer and $3 off of the Derma Geek serum. And that is it, you guys, for the P&G. So definitely not as much coupon value as we typically get for a P&G insert, but I wanted you guys to get a walkthrough of that so you can decide whether or not you want to spend money on P&G inserts for this month. I wouldn't spend a whole ton with me personally, because keep in mind that you can still print coupons as well from the P&G website. So maybe I would probably go the route of printing if coupons are really, really expensive in your area. Now I'm going to take you through a quick walkthrough of some of the coupons that you can expect in your inserts for tomorrow. I'm going to walk you through those. I'm not going to talk through those. I can just do that with a quick overlay with some music, and then I will come back to just give you a heads up on some coupons that are coming out on the 5th of June.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you.
That is it for the 522 coupons. I think we got pretty good inserts for 522, especially since we have these all and Snuggle coupons. And you guys, we have an amazing deal going on right now on the Snuggle products using these $1.50 coupons plus swag bucks and Ibotta. So I'm going to be heading to Walmart later to grab some Snuggle. So definitely keep that in mind with these 522 inserts. Now I want to show you some coupons that are coming out on 6/5, and special thank you to the SLG on Instagram for sharing this 6/5 preview, because when I saw it I was like, okay, we got some really nice coupons. So the first thing that's coming out that really caught my eye was a 5 off of 2 for the Dove Men Care and the Degree Dry Spray deodorants, a 5 off of 2, you guys. So that's going to be nice. I bet you we're going to get a double dip somewhere with that. That's going to be a really nice high value coupon. We also have some Persil coupons coming 6/5 as well. So we will get new coupons after the current Persil coupons do expire. And we have a buy one, get one free on the Right Guard deodorant coming 6/5 as well, which I'm super excited about. And then the last thing that I saw that really caught my eye was a $2 off one on the Nature's Bounty vitamins. I think we should have some nice deals with that as well. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope this quick chat and walkthrough was helpful to you all. Let me know what you guys think about these upcoming inserts, especially the P&G. I'm curious to hear your thoughts about what you think about coupons.com going away and all of that. Let's talk down in the comments. I thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon fam. I thank you all once again, and as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.